Good afternoon, everyone. Bill here, Auto World, Greens Fork, Indiana. Just a quick update on Bob, the 1968 Chevelle. Yesterday in the evening, I was able to get the remaining body bolts out of the car. I used this old air jack. I was able to lift the body up and separate it so that we can get there and replace all the body bushings. Just trying to give you a look here. Show you the rust here. This is going to be up in the air for a while because the next project is repairing the end of this frame rail and replacing this cross member. This is the replacement cross member. That's from AMD. Body bushings are junk, hard as a rock. The ones in the core support are still in it. And I don't know why they replaced only those, but they look like brand new. We have a kit with all the body bushings in it. Really nice kit. They're bagged up separately for all the mounting points. Came with detailed instructions of where they go. But the old car is going to be on hold for a couple days, probably till Friday or Saturday of next weekend. But just wanted to let you know where we're at. Show you what we do here at Auto World. Thanks.